Hi, this is Brad. How you doing today? Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. We do product reviews, and today we're going to do one. I have no idea what I'm going to get handed. All right, and it is, oh, I think I know what that is. It has two handles, one on each side, and in between the handle is going to be a little chainsaw. I don't know what exactly you'd call it. It's like a little chain. And right now it is very mixed up. It's a survival saw. It's a cable saw. So it's got a really wide variety of little parts that stick out, like barbed wire or whatever. And so let's take it and saw off this little limb sticking out here right there. So what we're going to do is we've got finger holes like this, and you put your fingers through there, and then you have the cable with teeth on it. And so let's just put it over the little limb here, and then we're just going to pull it back and forth. Oof, don't pull it down it. That thing really bites. And that's about a 3/4 inch limb. That's the first time I've ever used one of these. And right now I'd say it works pretty good. So we'll find another little bit of a limb here. And I don't know, let's cut on something that's actually 3 inches in diameter. And let's see how it works. So if you're in a survival situation, okay, I can tell you right now, it's cutting. And then you'd want to move it a little bit to work on the smaller size, so you're not cutting the full width, full thickness. And turn it a little bit. Oh, that's a lot of bite. Just like that. And I think this is going to be a freebie on the website. And it does take a little work. And I'm looking right now for the pinch point to see how it's going to pinch. I'm going to have to trade places here a little bit. Yeah, it's probably pinching a little bit. So let's change and come in from the bottom, and it's up in the air where it's not real advantageous, but that would be real life. And you do have to work at it. And let's see if it'll break through. Yeah, it's bound up in this tree here pretty good. So let's cut a little more. I might pick on one that's a little lower and not up so high. That is a solid old limb. So let's work on it a little more. Well, it's almost There wasn't much left in there. That is actually really solid. Make good furniture. This is Brad. Take care. Have a good day. Sharpen's best. Go to YouTube. Sharpen best.